Before moving into a new property, tenants should keep in mind the following 10 important points. Firstly, thoroughly inspect the property. Take note of any damages and report them to your landlord immediately to avoid future disputes. Secondly, understand your tenancy agreement. Pay attention to terms regarding rent, maintenance, and tenancy termination. Thirdly, set up your utilities early. Ensure electricity, water, and internet are ready before your moving day. Fourth, know your rights as a tenant. Familiarize yourself with local tenant laws and your rights regarding repairs and privacy. Fifth, plan your move carefully. Schedule movers in advance if needed and ensure you have adequate packing supplies. Sixth, change your address officially. Update it with your bank, government agencies, and any subscription services. Seventh, consider insurance. Renter's insurance can protect your belongings in case of theft or damage. Eighth, introduce yourself to your neighbors. This can help create a friendly and communicative environment. Ninth, make note of emergency contacts. Have a list of important numbers like the landlord's and local emergency services handy. Lastly, personalize your space. Make it feel like home without breaching your tenancy about modifications. Following these guidelines ensures a smooth transition into your new home.